familia, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for all the continuous love and support. I really appreciate every single one of you guys. If you are new here to my channel, thank you guys so much for coming by. Bienvenidos a mi canal. Make sure to hit that subscribe button along with the little bell next to it. That way you are aware of any time that I do post any new videos on this channel. Also, before I get started on the video, I just want to send out mad love and just joy and blessings to everyone out there. I hope that you guys are all staying healthy and safe during the holiday season, which reminds me, actually not even remind, it's holiday week. Like, this is officially Christmas week, which is crazy. Today's Monday. Even if you don't celebrate Christmas, you know, it's just, you know, it just feels festive. It's just always like one of those time frames where you just want to spread as much joy as possible. So I hope that you guys are doing that even throughout these crazy times. So yeah, I don't know, let's get started on today's video. Alright guys, so today, as you can see, we're going to be doing a TheraBox unboxing. Now, before we get to today's TheraBox unboxing, I want to correct something that I just realized and that was brought to my attention. I did reach out to TheraBox because I know last month, I know some of you guys have been watching the TheraBox for December, which I did put up not too long ago. If you haven't seen it, I'll post it up here. Well, about a couple of days later, I received this box in the mail. So I was kind of confused. I was like, okay, what's going on? Was the other one not December? Turns out that the one that I posted last month was November's, and December's was sent out earlier in the month. So this one, my friends, is December's holiday TheraBox. I'm so sorry for the confusion. I guess they did say that they did a little bit of a change with the shipping times because it was a holiday, so they wanted to make sure that we did get this one in time. So this one is actually the month of December, holiday. Hopefully it's a good theme. But anyway, let's get into this one. If you don't know what TheraBox is a self-love, self-care monthly subscription box. You pay $34.99 a month and you're supposed to get over $100 worth of products related to self-care, relaxation, and even like self-care activities, which is pretty cool. And it's very important to have that in your life. And there's different payment plans as well. So just so you know, if you are interested, I will link the TheraBox thing below and you can check out everything on there. So, TheraBox ingredients to happiness. This is what the box looks like. It's basically a little lavender box. It's kind of, it is the same box every month. It says self-care is giving the world the best of you instead of what's left of you. Okay, so as you open up the box, it's kind of like every other box. It says treat yourself, and basically if you want to snap a picture of your box and all, you can put it on social media. And of course, right here we have our little booklet, which is basically going to tell us everything that has in it, what it's for, how much it retails, you know, how much a whole box retails. The theme of this one is, of course, holiday, which is why we're in the holiday mood. That's what it looks like. And like I said, the book shows a little bit of everything, so I'm not going to open it just yet because we're going to jump right into the box. I'm excited for this one. Oh, I'm really excited, guys. It looks like it's a little beanie. I love beanies. Obviously, I don't wear too many of them here, but the moment that it gets chilly, I am slapping on a beanie, slapping on some sweatshirt, sweatpants, whatever I got. Hold on, let me open. Okay, so this is what the beanie looks like. It is a black knitted beanie with a little pom-pom on the top. I don't think this comes off. This is like little brown and beige colors. It's super cute. And in the front it says all is well. This is by the brand Up Top. To my understanding of this is that you could either get the cream, lavender, or black one. This one does retail at $25 and it's just so cute. I really wish that I could like wear it more here, but this is what it's looking like. It's mad cute, and also in the inside it's nice and thick and has kind of like that fleece feel, which is mad cute. So I'm really excited for that. I'm gonna put that to the side. Moving on. Oh my gosh, guys, I don't even know what this is, but it's so cute. Okay, moving on to the next thing in the box. It looks like it's a little ornament. Oh my gosh, how adorable is this? Base blue. Okay, this is what this looks like. Let me just clarify what it is. Guys, I just found out that they're makeup sponges. How freaking adorable. This is by the brand Base Blue and it's a Snowman makeup sponge. It retails at $13. So, oh my god, I thought it was literally a Christmas ornament. Let me go ahead and open it up. Alright guys, so this is what the sponge looks like. I hope that that's even focusing. Hold on, maybe right there. It even has little eyeballs. It has a little, like, I don't even know why I would want to use this. I want to actually put this up as one of my Christmas decorations right now. It is so freaking cute. It's got like little dimples, or like not little dimples, like the little huequitos, I don't know, like little blush thingies, and a smiley face. This is so freaking cute. And it says that it is a gold speckled, what is it, makeup sponge that is great for stocking stuffer. Oh, what else? It says it's a limited edition and it comes in obviously like the little ornament thing. So it's kind of cool, but this is just really adorable, guys. I mean, definitely is giving me holiday vibes already, and I've only opened up 2 things in the box, so let's see what we have next. Okay, the next thing in the box, we have this little bad boy right here. This is by the brand Evolu or Evolu. It's a hydrating serum. This one does retail at $68, and it's basically a serum that's supposed to give you moisture and prevent you from feeling dry during this holiday season. Let's go ahead. It's actually kind of small, but let's see. It's 1 fluid ounce. It says apply after cleansing and toning. Can be used twice a day. It has aqua, hyaluronic acid, citrus, sodium, potassium. Okay, cool. Let's see. Oh wait, I gotta take this off. Hold on. Okay, I did put a little bit on. I don't want to waste too much of it, but it is like, I probably can't even see it. It is a little clear serum. It's very water. Actually, it feels like it's water, but it is a little bit thicker than I thought. I'm just gonna obviously just get rid of a little bit something on my face. Yeah, I don't mind it. It has absolutely no smell. It's just honestly like a regular serum, but it says that it's supposed to just be really good for you because it has the hyaluronic acid, which of course helps, and it helps with premature aging and preventing lines from preventing lines from like getting deeper, which I'm all about, so I'm super excited to try that one out. If you have tried it before, of course, let me know what you think about it. Moving on here to something else in the box. This is by the brand Mina. It's a toasted marshmallow sugar polish. This one retails at $29.99, and it says to travel to a cozy night roasting marshmallows and making s'mores around a campfire with this foamy and luxurious toasted marshmallow sugar polish. Sheesh, that's a mouthful. Okay, one cool fact to know about this one is that Mina donates to several causes, including a 200 MW organization that donates 20,000 every 3 months to organizations in Tampa and in schools, which help support children suffering from hunger. So this is really cool. The whole concept behind it is really nice. This has 24 karat gold. It's a shea butter, and it's supposed to gently exfoliate and renew for glowing skin. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. Oh yeah, oh my gosh, this smells delicious. It smells like a sugar donut. It just smells sweet. It smells like a glazed donut or some sugar cookies. That's what it looks like. Let me go ahead and put my foot in it, my finger in it. It's obviously very stiff, but as you put in there, it kind of reminds me like a putty. Oh my gosh, guys, that smells amazing. It actually has little gold. Well, obviously I did say the 24 karat specs. It's probably very difficult for you to actually see it, but on my hands, I can actually see a little bit of the shimmer of the gold. The exfoliation and the smell, oh my gosh, the smell just does it alone for myself. It's definitely one of those things that you feel like you're in the holiday spirit. Even on this side, you can actually see the gold specks. So it's a cool brand, a great cause, and it's great for the holidays. So I'm definitely really excited for that one. Moving on. I love this, but I do have this already. I already know what this one is, and this is a cleansing oil. This one is by the brand Skin & Coroma. This one does retail at $32. It is the Truffle Therapy Cleansing Oil. It's supposed to, just give you a nice, once again, feel on your face. It removes makeup, and another cool thing to know about it is that obviously it is made in Italy, and it is a very eco-friendly skincare formula. It just has a lot of cool things, and if you don't know much about TheraBox is very nice because it reaches out to different types of brands who have different causes or who are just newer, eco-friendly, recycled. They just do a lot of cool stuff. I'm actually gonna go get mine really quick because I don't want to open this. I will save this for a future giveaway, but let me go ahead and show you guys what it actually looks like. I'll be right back. All right, this is mine right here. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit. It's very, very watery, as you can see. It is an oil, but it actually kind of feels like it could be your serum as well. It's not very sticky at all. One of the things that I love a lot about this brand is the scent. The scent just smells very fresh. Sometimes it smells like a little hint of coconut, but it's nothing very strong, but it does smell amazing. And this one, you can use with a cotton pad or basically just put it on your hands and just gently put it in circular motions around your face, and you rinse it before you obviously put your makeup on, or if you just want to use it as part of your skincare. So it's really, really nice. I definitely love that and really recommend it if you haven't already. Moving on to the next thing in the box. Also, if I didn't mention how much this one costs, it costs $32. I'm not even sure if I did. So, okay, next thing in the box, we have something here by the brand Gratitude. This is a Gratitude glass jar. It's supposed to be 30 days of intention card set. Like I said, TheraBox does think outside of the box. It is curated by therapists who basically just give you things that they feel that you should use on your daily life to just give you, you know, a lot of positivity throughout your day, which is great. Okay, so this is what the little box looks like, and it says 30 days of intentions, 30 days of questions to live your life with intention, asking you to stop and think, am I headed in the right direction? And basically the whole concept behind this is that 2020 has thrown like a lot of challenges at a lot of us throughout this whole year, and it's going to continue to do so and affect us. So basically they want you to think about your life and your journey, and it's just giving you kind of questions and intentions for you to think about on your regular day. So I'm just going to go ahead, oh yes, you can see there's like your little cards right here. I'm gonna go ahead and pick the first one just to give you an idea. And this is your question. It says, do you ask yourself regularly the big question in life? If not, how can you stop being scared to live the life you want? So it's just one of those little things that it just gives you time to think and relax. And I don't know, I think it's really cool. Like I said, I love the idea of just thinking outside the box when it comes to these boxes. I really like this. So let's go ahead and move that to the side. If I didn't mention it, it does retail at $19.95. All right, the next thing in the box here, we have something by the brand Meg Cosmetics, and this is a steaming hair mask. I've actually never even heard of it, nor have I done it. This is a hair repair treatment. It's to maintain a healthy scalp and hair with cooling hair mask. Wow, that is really, really cool. In the back, it says that it's for damaged hair. It's supposed to give you intense nutrition, moisture, a cooling effect, and just maintain a healthy scalp. And this couldn't have came at a better time. I have actually been kind of suffering from like a dry scalp and all these issues with my scalp, and it's making me like really self-conscious and just hating it. But so this is definitely something that I really am curious about and definitely want to try out. This one retails at $10, which is cool. I'm not going to open it because obviously it is a mask. But it says that it's a warm one, so warm steam effect allows the hair treatment to deeply penetrate the hair strands, whether your hair is bleached or natural or thick, and it also helps your hair, leaving it softer, smoother, and frizz-free. So that's really cool. I can't go wrong with that at all. Moving on to something else here in the box, it says the Look Back Plan Ahead Workbook. I love workbooks. I love stationery. I know I tell you guys every month. This is a reflection and goal setting guide. It's a little book. It retails at $8, and it's the second happiness boosting activity this month. It says that so it kind of goes hand in hand with the cards. It says after setting your daily intention with the 30 days of intention card, you can use this to inform your goals in sections dedicated to specific areas in your life. You can go through and check off things as you like. So whether you're looking to reflect on something that's going to happen in the future, you can just set yourself up in this little book. Because a lot of people think of the holiday and a lot of people think of, you know, Christmas or Hanukkah, but it's also New Year's, you know, so it's a whole holiday feel of the year. We're getting ready into 2021, so this is definitely something that's really cool. Don't know if I mentioned, but it's from the brand Free Period Press. And this is what the book looks like. It says, hey there, thanks for picking up this workbook. We hope that this Zine gives you the space you need to step back, reflect on the past year, and set the stage for an amazing year ahead. And it just talks about awesome thinking. It says, ask you questions. It definitely goes hands in hand with the little intention cards. It's just a little workbook. You can write in it, you can draw in it, and set goals and things to accomplish. So that's pretty dope. All right. And it looks like we are down to the last thing in the box, and this already looks super, super cute. As you can tell, I do think it looks like a robe. Let's find out. All right, guys, so I am right. This is a nice silky robe. It is by the brand Viola Van. It is the color block ruffle sleeve faux silver robe. It retails at $39, and it's basically loungewear, a nice little robe. It has ruffle sleeves. It looks like the only color is this one, but it's basically a nice luxurious little robe. This is the color. It almost looks like a mauve pinkish, and the sleeves are a nice cream, and they are ruffled out. And one of the cool, cute little things is right here on the side. It says, "Bed, I love you" in silver print. And let me see. And also at the bottom, you can see that it has the same little ruffles as well as a nice little belt. So this is so freaking cute, especially around the times in the holidays when we're all kind of like at home chilling. It's definitely one of those things that I would love to wear inside the house. So that is it in the box. This box is definitely giving me holiday, winter feel, and I love it. So let me go ahead and add everything up and let you guys know how much everything adds up to in the box. Alright, so after adding all the 8 items in this box, it retails at $244.94. That is amazing, guys, because at the end of the day, you're really only paying $34.99 for these therapists to curate this box for you guys. I really like this theme. I like the holiday one. I don't remember, because obviously I speak very fast, if I give you the prices on everything exactly, but don't worry, I will link down below in case I did forget anything. That way you guys can look it up and everything like that. So I don't know, I definitely want to know what you guys think about this box. I'm totally digging it. I love it. So I want to know your thoughts on it completely as well. So thank you guys so much for joining me in another TheraBox unboxing. I really appreciate it. You guys stay healthy, stay safe, stay blessed during the holiday seasons and during all times. And I'll see you guys, actually, I'll see you guys tomorrow because I'm posting a couple of times this week. Mwah. Muchas gracias and have a great day. Ciao.